Hello, everyone. I am Muhammad Abdelwahed. Today, I would like to present a new way to store and encrypt seismic data. We use the binary data to store our data in a compressed form. But actually, the binary data is a kind of a black box, cannot be previewed, or we don't know what is inside the file. Here, I propose to implement the seismic data into a bitmap image. Here is an example of a bitmap image store a kind of seismic waveform. The idea of the method is first to compress the binary data into a compressed form using the time compression method. Then encrypt this binary data by the 128-bit encryption using a specific code. Then I imprint this code into a bitmap image, and then convert this image into a bitmap WebP format. Actually, the output file is characterized by being descriptive, means it has some description pixels, so it's not a black box. It is encrypted. It is more compressed by 20% from the corresponding mini-seed. Actually, this method is tested and can be implemented in any digital systems, digitizer, data loggers, or communication protocols. Thank you very much.